variety of immunity drinks this season. Today I'm sharing with you a recipe of turmeric chocolate latte, an immunity drink that has been loved by the kids too. Here are the ingredients that we'll be using. We'll be using turmeric, cardamom, Hershey's cocoa powder, Hershey's syrup, some honey, an inch of cinnamon stick, a pinch of black pepper powder, and milk. Take the milk in a pan and let it simmer for a few minutes. Then we'll add the spices, the pinch of pepper powder, turmeric powder, a pinch of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of your Hershey's cocoa powder, an inch of cinnamon stick, a tablespoon of the chocolate syrup, and we'll mix it well so that no lumps are formed. Once you start getting a rich chocolate color, you can turn off the flame. Your latte is ready. You can strain them into mugs. I'm using a milk frother to get the froth for my latte. You can even use a hand blender to get your froth. And now your latte is ready to serve. I'm doing a little bit of art with the chocolate syrup. Here you go. Hope you and your kids enjoyed this recipe too.